Hi everyone. According to PEMDAS, multiplication will go first. So what is 4 times 5? 20. Good job. Divided by 8. And then bringing down the 3 plus down. Now going back to PEMDAS, division will go first. What is 20 divided by 8? Let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 20 over 8. Let's bring down the plus sign down and the 3 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 1 equals 3 does not change to 3. I'm erasing this part we don't need. Now we're going to add two fractions, but notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So I'm drawing the first wing, 3 times 8, which is, and this is the antenna, 24. Good job. Next wing, 1 times 20, and here's the other antenna, is 20. 1 times 20 is 20. Good job. Lastly, the body, 1 times 8 is 8. So our denominator is 8, and our numerator is 24 plus 20, which is 44. Good job. This is not the answer yet. We still need to break this down to a simplest form. So let me erase this. We don't need. And write the 44 over 8 to this side for space. Oops, for space. And we're gonna break this down. So notice the top and the bottom numbers, both numbers are even. So let's just half them like this. So half of 44 is 22 over half of 8 is 4. The numbers are still even, so let's half them again like this. So 22 divided by 2 is, or half of 22 is 11. Good job. And half of 4 is 2. And that's it. You cannot break this down further. So this is your answer, but don't leave yet because we need to find out the mixed number answer and the decimal answer from this 11 over 2, which is a improper fraction. So I'm going to write the 11 over 2 on this side of the board so we can figure out the mixed number and write it here, and then the decimal answer and write it here. So we're going to use long division for this. So the 11 goes inside the long division symbol, and the 2 goes outside the long division symbol. And how many times can 2 fit into 11? 5 times. And 5 times 2 is 10. And we subtract 11 minus 10 is 1. So now we can write our mixed number answer. So 5 is the whole number. Remainder 1 will go on top of the fraction bar. And the 2 goes below the fraction bar. So it's 1 over 2, and I mean, we know it's 5.5, that's half. 1 over 2 is 0.5, but just for fun, let's continue the long division. And 2 cannot fit into 1, so we need to borrow a 0, so I add a decimal there after the 11, and after the 5, write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 1 becomes 10, and 2 can fit into 10 5 times, and 5 times 2 is 10, and we subtract 10 minus 10 is 0. So here we go. We got our 5.5 as the answer. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. You got your 3 answers. You got a improper fraction answer, a mixed number answer, and a decimal answer. They're all correct. And here are your happy faces. Happy face here, 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 and happy face here. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.